Okay, so hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is Libra versus 12 signs current feelings for today only. Okay, it's just current feelings. There's no clarification, no action, no intention, anything. Okay, so whatever decisions or choices you guys are going to make based on my readings is your responsibility, not mine or my channels. Please keep that in mind. Even if it is going to resonate 100% with you, this is not a personal reading that you should keep in mind always forever. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self-love course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Libra, first of all, let's check your energies for yourself, and then I'm going to do the 12 signs. Let's see. Okay, so for yourself, we have the Hierophant. You guys are trying to take the route of spirituality, and/or you guys are feeling like you have enough experience, wisdom, and knowledge in your life regarding a lot of things now, and now you are growing into something really beautiful and meaningful version of yourself. Okay, so your connection with yourself is getting a lot better, a lot spiritual, and a lot aligned on your path, on your journey, whatever it means. Okay, for some of you, you guys might feel like connecting with a mentor or a guru or a healer or maybe a therapist to make your life more peaceful and more comfortable. Okay, cool. Let's start with Aries. If you're dealing with an Aries, the Fool card. Aries feel like they are not feeling like they are super connected to this energy. They feel like there is some kind of recklessness here. There is some kind of freshness in the connection, but there is some kind of recklessness also. So they might be not very serious about the situation right now. They might be feeling like taking things as they go, but they feel like taking the risk of going forward with you. Okay, if this is making any sense. Not very serious about the situation, but interested and motivated enough to keep moving forward with you. Dealing with the Taurus, we have the Knight of Cups. Taurus might be feeling like coming forward towards you with some kind of message, communication, apology, or some kind of confession or expression of their feelings. So they have love, they have emotions, they have this compassionate kind of energies towards you, and they feel like coming forward towards you with these kind of energies that I just told you. So if you guys are having some kind of issues going on, maybe they are feeling like they should come forward towards you to resolve those issues with you. Okay, if you're dealing with the Gemini, we have the Strength card. Gemini is feeling like holding back their urge or their desire to connect or reconnect with you, because right now they feel like talking to you or connecting with you or reconnecting with you is not a good idea. So that's why they feel like holding back. So they are in a lot of holding back kind of energies towards you right now. Let's see for a Cancer. If you're dealing with a Cancer, we have the Nine of Pentacles. Cancer right now is super focused on themselves, their money, job, career, finances, their business, everything right now. They are right now super focused on their own individual independence and freedom and their own individual life. They're not right now that much involved or that much invested in the situation between you and them. If you're dealing with the Leo here, we have the Three of Cups. Leo feels like having a really friendly and happy-go-lucky, fantastic kind of collaboration or partnership kind of a deal with you. For some of you, this person feels like maintaining a very social and very happy-go-lucky kind of connection. I don't think so. Right now, they are serious on the level of for the level of commitment, or right now they are dying for you or something like that. They enjoy your company. That's the right word to say. This person feels like they enjoy your company. They enjoy the social gatherings with you, and they definitely feel like having a beautiful collaboration or partnership kind of energy with you, with a light-hearted kind of approach. Okay, we have Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo. If you're dealing with a Virgo, Virgo is feeling like you are kind of their soulmate. You guys make a good couple. You guys understand each other. You guys understand each other's feelings really well. So Virgo here is feeling like you guys are each other's soulmates, and you guys are meant to be together. Okay, so this is a really beautiful kind of energy from Virgo towards you. By the way, soulmates can be friends also. Soulmate can be your mother also, your father also, your pet also. Soulmate is not always about romantic connections, romantic bonds. So this person is feeling like they respect you, they adore this connection, they feel like understood with you, they feel seen with you. Okay. If you're dealing with another Libra here, we have the Six of Cups. This person is missing you. They're missing the bond, the connection that you guys used to share with each other at some point of time. If you guys are not together anymore for whatever reason, this person feels like having reconciliation with you because they can't stop thinking about you and the good old times that you guys shared with each other. So they feel like coming together, coming back together with you. Or even if you guys didn't had a breakup or separation, this person is feeling like the time you shared with each other in the past was really really good and meaningful. So they feel like creating that kind of energies with you again. Okay. So if you're dealing with a Scorpio, we have the Eight of Cups. Scorpio is walking away. They're detaching from the situation. According to them, there's nothing good left in the situation anymore, and this situation is not serving their emotional balance, emotional happiness anymore. Even if they have emotions, for some reason they feel like walking away is the right thing to do right now because they are not feeling that much happiness or that much attachment towards the situation right now at this present moment. So they are right now turning their back towards the situation and walking towards something better. Maybe they're healing or their own thing. If you're dealing with a Sagittarius, here we have the Ace of Pentacles. So Libra, Sagittarius feels like coming forward towards you with some kind of solid offer. The offer that can lead to commitment, the offer that can lead to marriage down the line. So this person is feeling like coming forward towards you with a fresh energy, with a fresh offer. Let's start from the start kind of energy. And or if you guys are already together, maybe now they are ready to take this situation to the next level. But there is a freshness, there is this energy of starting from the start and bringing something new to the table, new on the table, in this dynamic. Okay. If you're dealing with a Capricorn, we have the Nine of Swords. Capricorn is losing their shit over the situation. They're not able to sleep at night. They are creating all kind of scenarios and stories in their head, and they're hurting themselves by constantly feeding those negative thoughts. So they are anxious and they are having restless and sleepless nights over the situation. I don't know what is happening or what happened between you guys, but this person is definitely feeling sleepless and restless, and they can't stop thinking negative about the situation between you and them for some reason. If you're dealing with an Aquarius, here we have the Six of Swords. Aquarius is moving on towards calmer water. They are trying to find find the peace in their life. They are still carrying a lot of past baggages with them, maybe from multiple connections or multiple issues in their life. So they are right now in this energy of trying to move on towards calmer water and finding their own peace. And right now they are not very much focused on this connection or this relationship. Right now they are very much focused on finding their own peace and finding their own happiness. If you're dealing with the Pisces, here we have the Queen of Wands. Pisces is kind of manifesting something really beautiful here, really good here. They are feeling like they're very attracted to you, very infatuated to you, they're very attracted and infatuated to your personality, to your looks, and to your overall energy. So they are manifesting something really beautiful between you and them if you're dealing with the Pisces. Okay, so that's what I'm getting for you guys, Libra, for today. So maximum 2-3 days, because we are just checking the current feelings, nothing more than that. Okay, so these are the energies for you. If you guys want to keep these kind of readings going, like the one I did today, you guys give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section so that we can keep it going once or twice in a month. Okay, that will be very helpful for me to know the interest of my viewers. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.